two completely different entities meet to form one perfect entity, as if they have been one from the beginning. Korea's first specialized friction welding company, A.F.W. A perfect combination of steadfast artisan spirit with 20 years of tradition and challenging spirit that does not fear change. The two spirits are born into today's A.F.W. Since its founding in 1998, A.F.W. has devoted itself to the technology of friction welding. Their professional know-how and various production experience help them earn the title of Korea's first and Korea's best. Based on its patented technology, numerous certifications, and patented techniques, the company is currently in a jump-start stage. A.F.W. is Korea's representative specialized friction welding company. The perfect combination of turning force and friction pressure. The synergy of the two forces produce powerful effects. One perfect entity is produced. A.F.W.'s technology is limitless. High technology analyzes turning speed, friction speed, and squeeze time. Computer control allows for speedy, accurate, and perfect welding. In addition to joining similar materials, joining dissimilar materials, and joining non-metals and metals which have not been with existing welding methods, all become possible now with A.F.W. As an excellent partner company of Samsung SDI and a leading company in Korea, A.F.W.'s technology is found in world-class prestigious automobiles such as BMW, Audi, Volkswagen, and Chrysler. From existing manufacturing industries to the secondary battery industry for future automobiles, the company's technology is being used, and the demand for the company's technology is gradually increasing. The perfect combination of research teams which do not permit any errors and engineers who do not allow even one single defect. The two perfectionists generate technological innovation. A.F.W. is continuously conducting research in order to provide comprehensive services in the Korean friction welding field, starting from the production of equipment to packaging and delivery by operating the company's own technological research center. Ranging from research on the joining of several materials at once to research on economical and eco-friendly technology, A.F.W.'s research is endless. By operating the company's own production design and production line, A.F.W. is improving its productivity and customer satisfaction through cost reductions and is undertaking challenges to achieve zero-defect manufacturing through a strict inspection process for perfect quality control. The perfect combination of the thinking of going far together, rather than the thinking of going fast alone, and of the thinking of growing together. Through the two kinds of thinking, AFW considers all the people who are with AFW as its best assets. Thinking customers as its partners rather than an individual company. Thinking each employee as its family member. AFW seeks ways to grow together and to leap forward together. What AFW joins is not limited only to the joining of materials. It joins new tomorrows and connects future industries. Perfect combination for the bigger world. AFW.